All right, let's move on to the great state of Illinois to figure out how to file for unclaimed funds in your name. So there are two easy ways to do it, really. One is claiming a property. The next one is check a claim's status. So that's only if you already have a claim ID number. So if you don't, let's start with Jones and let's do Dan. And let's search in the state of Illinois if in fact there is any money for Dan Jones. Now I'm just making up these names. I don't know these people, and there you go, Dan Jones. Now here's what you have to do: match up your address with the city and the zip code to whoever reported it. So this is West Central FS Inc. I'm not sure what FS is. I'll find out in a second. And the claim is over $100. Funds for stocks and bonds. The year it was reported, and then a property ID number. So let's go to claim. And we will go to continue claim. File the claim. Oh, I forgot. In the drop-down menu, you have to choose yourself or whomever is trying to claim this property. Then you click File Claim. In this page right here, you fill in all the critical information you need and you hit Submit. Within an hour or so, you should get an email back confirming and giving you a claim ID number. They will also give you a list of all the documents that you need to have to submit, to upload directly to them. In the email, there will also be a direct link to upload everything directly to the state of Illinois. Once you've done all that, you really have to wait 30, 60, or 90 days. I tell people wait 90 days before you're going to hear anything. But the most important thing is when you fill this out, make sure that you have your correct mailing address, correct current mailing address. Because if not, it's not going to be sent to you. It's going to go somewhere else. And then you're going to lose it again. So make sure you have your correct current email and your correct physical address.